Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular new website or old website, I have download data from hosting Cpanel. Select your website and log in your Cpanel. There is a two option. Website will be two types, static and dynamic. Static will be download from file manager. If it's dynamic, file manager and PHP myadmin. Here I go to file manager option. In a file manager, total their option name is called public underscore HTML. Open the public underscore HTML, select all, right click and click for compress. Any GIF file is there, old GIF file, don't select it. So nothing will be there. Right click and click for download. So one by one, not possible. What we can call, go to compress, zip, he will be writing will be your website name, RTS, today date. So after compress your file, you can download it. Each hosting will be different, but cpanel, any hosting cpanel process will be same, which is that go to cpanel file manager public underscore html, select the file into one step and compress the file and download it. Now, before download time, go to php myadmin. What are your database here? The database, select from this particular option, which is our database will be here. The database will be select and download your particular option. So that is only we can show to the customer will be here. Select it, click for export, and here is that export your particular file. So those will be download will be into the SQL database. So compressing time will be take here based on your file. After this one, right click and download it. Based on that, how much size you have to upload will be here. The based on you can download the particular option. This is a disk usage and download from here is the total file will be 234.14 MB size will be total your website file. So my disk page will be too much of long is 1.17 GB. What is the reason that? That is the purpose. Where is your disk space checking purpose? Here, disk usage. You can check everything will be here. So here, public underscore HTML 534 here. So why? Because after compress your file will be 234 and already 234 is a call 5, which is a more higher priority. So we can check from the here is that here email account. Email account will be up to almost 1 GB is the email account will be here. So that is the mainly focus on your particular database will be stored on your particular website. Based on your database sizes, you can download the particular things. After download this size, simple right click, we have to delete, skip this trash program and close it. Finally, after going to refresh on the particular size, the size will be changed on your particular pattern. So compulsory based on the size, you can download the your database and keep it on every week. For dynamic website, every week we have download the complete website structure. Simple step, go to file manager. In this option call is there they go to public underscore HTML, select all, add the domain name, download it. This process we can follow it. This is a reason a lot of people most worried about that. I'll repeating for two times each and every option. So for any question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.